Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my Japanese curry. It's super easy, super comforting and honestly hard to mess up. First, let's start with the curry. You'll need 3 onions, 1 carrot and 1 potato. Just cut them into small bite-sized pieces, nothing fancy. Cook them in a pot over medium heat for about 5 minutes, just to soften them a little bit. Then, add enough water to fully cover the vegetable. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer until the potatoes are nice and tender. Now, let's make the pork chop. For this, you'll need 3 bowls. One with flour, one with beaten eggs, and one with breadcrumbs. I like to use Panko. Coat the pork in flour first, then dip it in the egg, and finally press it into the panko. If you want extra crispy, go back into the egg and into the panko one more time. That double coating really makes a difference. I cook mine in the air fryer because I live in an apartment and don't want everything smelling like fried food. I learned that the hard way when I worked at McDonald's. Now, let's finish the curry. I like using the golden curry brand. It's really flavorful and easy to use. Even the hot version isn't too spicy, but you can choose mild or medium if that's more your thing. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye!